Jesus said to Peter, "Get thee behind me, Satan." Think about it. He's on his team. Please do not consider yourself to be exempt. That lack of humility itself will open the door for Satan to use you to do what you will not believe that you behave that way after. That tells you that there is something in you that smells good to Satan. Jesus said, "You do not savor the things of God." But he's talking to Peter, but he's addressing Satan. Now, the word Satan too is a generic word for adversary or someone who opposes God's ways. So it's not necessarily like Jesus is referring to a demon spirit, but he's actually referring to the character that Peter is showing. Yes, Father, I will do that. It's not necessarily so that Jesus is addressing a demon spirit when he's talking to Peter, but he is calling out a nature in Peter. That was not the last time Peter showed that attitude. When Jesus was being arrested, he took his knife or his sword and chopped off the ear of, what is his name? Something. Marcus. The same behavior. Now, what was it that was in Peter that allowed him to be used of the enemy